10 lines on Earth Day. 1. World Earth Day is celebrated every year on the 22nd of April to increase public awareness towards the Earth's sustainable environment. 2. World Earth Day highlights the importance of environmental protection for the survival of humanity. 3. World Earth Day, which is being celebrated in 193 countries worldwide, was founded by the United States Senator Gaylord Nelson in 1970. 4. Every year government, NGOs, and civil societies jointly hold events for garnering support to environment protection on the occasion. 5. Earth provides habitat for many species in the form of ocean and land, thereby helping in preserving the biologically diverse ecosystem. 6. World Earth Day celebration is the perfect reminder for us to think about our own actions, which can damage our planet. 7. Every year, World Earth Day is celebrated around the globe, with a theme, in order to focus the attention of the public about the various environmental issues. 8. World Earth Day 2021 theme is Restore Our Earth. 9. The school students, conservationists, and scientists participate in the event, organized at various places in India to celebrate World Earth Day. 10. Nations around the globe organize various events like lectures, discussions, seminars, nature talks to celebrate World Earth Day. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video, and subscribe our channel.